Hey, welcome back to My Sisters Keto. It's your favorite keto sisters.
Your favorite sisters. My sisters keto.
Hey, and we are here today to provide you or show you one delicious keto dessert served two different ways. So stay tuned so you can dig in.
It's coming to you. Okay, so we have a very, very, very simple keto dessert.
Couldn't get any simpler.
Couldn't get any simpler. 3 ingredients. Just 3.
And all 3 came from Aldi.
Yeah, so very cheap, very inexpensive keto dessert. We know a lot of times once you started keto or you're thinking about starting keto, coming up with dessert ideas or something sweet when you really want it can be really hard, but this is very easy.
Right, and it's keto. So the first ingredient that we're going to use today is strawberries. Next will be blueberries. Both are keto fruits. And whipped cream. All right, so the first one, you want to do yours first? Or?
Sure.
Okay.
So now we're preparing these desserts in 2 different ways because we like it a little different. We're sisters, but we like a little different.
Right, we don't like everything the same. She likes her desserts warm and comfortable. I like ice cream, cold, chilly, you know? So she's going to start hers off warm.
Right. So I'm going to add a few blueberries and a few strawberries. And what I'm going to do is put these in the microwave because again, I like this, little warm dessert. Okay, so I just put my fruit, blueberries and strawberries in the microwave for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and they're pretty warm, just like I like. Okay, and now I'm gonna add some whipped topping, and per serving, it is only 2 carbs. And boo-boo, there's my keto dessert. Now I'm gonna hand it on over to my sister to show you how she likes her keto dessert.
So again, I like my dessert cold and frosty. So I'm going to start with some cold fruit. So I have me some strawberries and some blueberries. And then I'm going to put the same Cool Whip topping that she did in hers. And, I think I can put a few more blueberries on top of it. All right, here's your spoon.
Thank you, sister.
Here's my spoon and bon appetit.
And there you have it. A nice warm keto dessert for me.
And a nice chilled keto dessert for me. Because I love ice cream, so because I'm on keto, can't really have the ice cream. But this Cool Whip with the fruit, it satisfies that desire for ice cream. This is really good.
This is so good. And to be honest, I haven't even had this as a dessert before, but this was so simple. Ooh.
That's what I'm saying. How long did this take? No time at all.
This is one of the things that makes keto a little bit easier because this is sweet. This is satisfying my sweet tooth. But I'm not going off of keto.
And to be honest, it's healthy. Strawberries and blueberries are very healthy for you. So you get your sweet fix and your antioxidants and you're staying keto. All at the same time.
All at the same time. Well, thank you for joining us on My Sisters Keto.
Make sure you like and subscribe and share our video. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks. Bye.